So investing in property has changed my life, and my goal on this channel is for it to change yours too. But if you've been a follower for some time now, you know it's never been plain sailing for myself. Because friends, I've made more mistakes than I could list in this video. And today what I want to do is share the 5 biggest things I wish I knew before I ever started investing to help you guys do it bigger and better than myself. So let's get started. Number 1 is numbers. Now friends, I'm talking about knowing your numbers like you know the back of your hand, i.e. your yields and your return on investments. And I'll be honest, when I first started viewing properties and doing all that sort of stuff, I wasn't really using a return on investment as a metric, and I was focusing solely on yields or how much I thought a property was potentially going to make me in terms of cash. And the big problem with this is, let's say you've been given a deal that can make you, I don't know, £5,000 a month. That sounds pretty juicy, right? And you may be thinking, well, what's wrong with that? But it's not as exciting or as good if you're leaving £1 million as an example in that particular deal. Now, of course, that's an exaggerated example, but I hope you get the point. We need to be looking at the return on your investment. And that's where I guess I was quite naive when I started this game. Whereas now I look at what will give me the best return on my £1. And it therefore makes comparing deals extremely quick and efficient from an investment perspective. Number 2, buying fancy property courses. Now, I'll be honest, my friends, I've spent thousands on property courses, like over £10,000.
You idiot! You're honestly an idiot. I don't know what's wrong with you.
And in hindsight, would I do them again? Hell no. What an absolute waste of crap. And I mean that sincerely. And it's a shame because there's people who have been in the game for 12, 15 months sometimes who even start selling courses. And they do that because they know they're going to make more cash off the course than they've ever made or had the chance to make in property themselves. And I don't know, that just sits wrong with me because you can learn it literally here for free. And I do want to quickly just say, I do have my own program just in case anyone points it out. But with 10 years plus of investing in this game, if you really do want to succeed, you can do it without a course. I'm telling you that myself, my friends. And if at the very least you're going to go out and spend money on a course or a program, then please do your due diligence on that particular person. And if you want to save money, then of course just click my program or subscribe to the channel and utilize the comment section where I try to respond to every single one of you and learn via these videos for free. Number 3, my friends, I had to be on social media. Now you may not know this, but I was an extremely shy person. So shy, in fact, that I even had to get hypnotized and go through sessions with a hypno on a weekly basis just to help me overcome my shyness. Initially, I'd write posts without even showing my face on the internet, and I steered clear away from videos, especially like this. But friends, if you're anything like me and you don't come from wealth or money, then unfortunately, you're gonna need to be on social media. You need to be on socials to sell, to market, not just your business, but also yourself, and of course, to raise finance. And if you're too shy to tell people what you do and scared of raising finance, then friends, you're going to be in for a tough ride. Number 4, there's a shitload of money out there. When someone first offered me more than 250k, I nearly choked on my Cocoa Pops. But here I am now, realizing that money is probably the easiest thing to raise in this investment game. But I never always thought like that. You see, finding the time and having the skills to get value from properties and make the deals work is actually where the true value and true magic is. So just know before you start to never put money on a pedestal, and know that if you can get a great deal and you get good at what you're doing, and of course you can let people know what you're doing, i.e. through social media as an example, I promise you, my friends, you'll do amazing. And finally, number 5, ignore the shit. There's so many people who chat absolute nonsense in this game, and it's incredible that I used to believe everything people used to say early on. Just because someone says they're a 7-figure earner, or they're smashing it from property because they've leased a supercar or they've taken a photo outside a house, I promise you, it doesn't mean that they are. The goal is to become wealthy and rich, my friends, not look rich. And social media nowadays, as many of you know, has the ability for people to fake it till they make it, and many people have sadly been caught with their pants down. Hey, I've even been caught out myself. So that's a wrap, my friends. I'm going to leave the video there. And once again, I just want to thank you for sticking around when you guys could have been doing anything, but you chose to spend a few moments with me, and that makes you pretty awesome. So until next time, my friends, thanks for watching.